G'day, this is Mike from RED20RC. It's been a long time since I've been in front of the camera, and a lot's happened. I'm now the chief remote pilot for a company called Skyline UAV, and that's been keeping me busy doing stuff like this. Which is quite stressful. So I found myself coming back to RED20 as a way of relaxing, really. We got rid of the old site, and I've brought in a new site, and I'm going to start it completely from scratch with new stuff because a lot of the old stuff's still on flight test, but it's kind of irrelevant these days because technology's moved on so quickly. So with the new site, I'm going to try and do three things. There's going to be a blog, which will be where I'll talk about stuff that interests me and hopefully interests you guys. There's going to be the projects, which will be more of the old foam ball wings, planes and that sort of stuff. And then also I'm going to do more blogs and articles about actually working in the industry, so with the more expensive UAVs and stuff like that. It's the sort of thing I can give you guys an insight into that you might not see normally. So it's good to be back. Bookmark the blog, subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow the social media, and hopefully we'll start getting some great content out there.